Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 9, and today I will show you how to set up a fingerprint ID. So I already have it added, as you can see right now, to unlock it, and that's basically how it will work. And to add it, you want to go into the settings and scroll down into right here actually. So lock screen and password, and then tap on manage fingerprint. So I'm gonna actually remove it just so by default as it is. So once you go, not here, but here, and tap on add fingerprint, you will need to have a pattern set. If you don't, it will ask you to basically choose between pin pattern or password, and then you need to draw it. I already have it set, so I just need to confirm it. And then you have add your fingerprint, and basically just start scanning your fingerprint. So start scanning it. Now make sure you get a good read of your entire finger from basically every angle, just so however you press the fingerprint sensor, it will always read your finger. Okay, as you can see, done. So you can just tap on done. You can also then tap on the fingerprint one, which we just added, and change its name to, let's say, something else. Cool. I just go like this, and now it's just changed. And if we go back, lock screen, and now use the fingerprint to unlock the device. So that's basically how you would set it up. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.